Ladies and gentlemen, the Ghetto Couch episode 3. If you don't know what that means 3, bitch. But coming to the stage is your boy Wilder Boulevard, aka Big V. And this right here is your boy Jerry St. Louis, aka Lips.
And here's a sizzle.
And yo, we already know your boy Lolo.
You know, I'm gonna tell y'all what that stands for, babies. The L stands for love. The O stands for oh my god, he's fine.
Shut your gay ass up. You don't try to put some L.
Why you what's with you in that big journal of yours? You even let me finish. I had an L, another L, and an O.
I don't give a damn. No, watch your black ass.
Nobody look at them big lips, man, with the parachute.
I don't know why you got them glasses on. They match with your skin color. What's the point?
You just know you don't got no neck, kid.
Yeah, I got neck, nigga. I'm breathing. What about you?
No, yeah.
Look, breastfeed your baby, homeboy.
He got enough to go around. He got enough to feed all y'all kids.
How the fuck does your lip bigger than your hat?
How the fuck your titties bigger than the whole body?
Nah, man, he dragging onto the floor. He only person I know who mop with his titties.
Every time you walk around with a white shirt, it's like a nightlight to you.
Oh my god, hey, you still breathing in them shirts? Oh my god.
Dang, Lola, you black as hell. I never see nobody that black, bro. What the fuck with this Michael Jackson
What the
shit?
fuck you doing, man? Why the fuck you keep making your motherfucking phone ring like you Michael Jackson? You too dark to be Michael
Okay, fuck
Jackson.
you. That was just like what you call me.
You ain't the king of nothing.
You
You might be the king of black.
You can't be the old
Hey man, you only king of Burger King. So
You the king of pop. You the king of black.
Hey, shut your ass up.
Man, what the fuck? Man, get the fuck off the
Who you
phone.
talking to? Hey, I'm getting the fuck out of here.
Look,
Who you talking to, nigga?
He talking,
Who you talking to?
He talking to his darkness.
Who is he?
Wait,
Who is he?
man, that fucking rude, man.
No, he talking to the dark army.
Wait.
Dark
Let
Lord.
me call you back, but some people are rude.
Black ass.
I don't give a damn.
Your fat ass up, kid.
I know you ain't talking. Little big hammerhead ass nigga right there.
Damn, that's what can't even find. I have to support that big ass head. Can't even fit that shit.
What about you? What the hell is this?
That's a style, kid.
Stop, you still dog as fuck.
You should have been talking about how your shit don't even match. Army colors or red.
Oh, I know, but you matching all the way. White and dark ass black.
Nah,
Don't forget the
man.
ugly. You can't forget the ugly, man.
I know you ain't talking. You look like a big mouth bass.
I know.
You're the only person I know who can match Angelina Jolie in lips. I just took off the glasses, kid. Can't see that guy.
You ugly anyway, your black ass.
Look who's talking. With that big ass nose you're sticking out like you going about to beak, they gonna bake it.
You know bigger than mine, your fat ass
Hey,
is.
don't Jerry look like an ostrich?
He about to stick his head in the sand, kid.
What video look like a tractor?
Damn, he just, nah, man, don't try track like that.
It's smaller.
Damn, be the only person I know who can block out the sun.
But you look like the burnt version of Geico.
Nah, man, you couldn't be in Geico, kid.
Geico Unlimited.
They got, he look out.
Shut up. Just shut up.
But you're not even in this
Man,
stats.
you not even in this video, Stat.
We cracking on stats, you're not even in it.
I'm surprised the fucking camera didn't fall out your hand.
Stat.
Fucking retard.
I'm surprised they're not under his stacks already.
You know his stacks is like a dark hole.
Oh my god. Okay, let me stop cracking on stacks. Here, let's go back to cracking on Big B, the biggest thing in here.
Baby, I made it be biggest, but I'm still lighter than you dark bastard.
Hey, I look like I can figure out through that door and I can talk to somebody.
That's the only person that actually started a movie that is called The Dark Knight, and he's as dark as fuck for real. Shut
You
up.
full of shit.
Make your phone ring.
Alright, it's over. It's over. It's over.